Hello, today we'll show you on how to integrate LeadSquared with the WhatsApp using Eazybe. Let's get started. Before we begin, ensure that you have the latest version of Eazybe Extension installed and running on your device. Also, make sure your LeadSquared account is active. Once you've logged into WhatsApp Web, look at the right sidebar and you'll see the Integrations button. Click on it, and a pop-up window will appear. In the pop-up, find the LeadSquared section and click on the Connect button. A Connect to LeadSquared model will now appear. Here you'll need to enter your host name, access key, and secret key of a LeadSquared account. Where do I find these details? Open LeadSquared, go to Settings, click on API and Webhooks. Copy the API host. This will be your host name. Click on the secret key, and you'll find both the access ID and the secret key. Once you've entered these details and confirm, the integration will be complete. And that's it! You successfully connected to LeadSquared with Eazybe.